Less is more. Master Minimalist Living for calm, clarity, and control. Breathwork and Simplicity Guide. Have you ever felt like your life is one big garage sale? Stuff everywhere. Your mind's cluttered, your home's cluttered, even your calendar is gasping for breath. Welcome to the chaos economy, where more means stress and less, well, less is more. In this audiobook, Less is More, Master Minimalist Living for Calm, Clarity, and Control, Breathwork and Simplicity Guide, we're going to unpack the myth that success is measured by how many things you own or how packed your schedule is. Spoiler alert, it's not. Because what if the secret to peace wasn't found in having more, but in having less, and breathing more deeply while doing it? Section 1. The Modern Overwhelm. Let's be real. You wake up to 17 notifications, scroll through 3 social media apps before brushing your teeth, and by noon, your brain feels like a browser with 38 tabs open. 3 of them frozen, and you don't even know where the music is coming from. This is digital overload, emotional clutter, mental junk food. We live in a culture that screams, buy this, try this, scroll this, hustle harder, but no one tells you how to just be. That's why minimalism isn't about white walls and owning 3 pairs of socks. It's about trimming the mental fat. It's about knowing what's essential and breathing room into your life. Section 2. What is minimalist living? Minimalist living is not about deprivation. It's about intention. Imagine walking into your space and feeling calm, not chaotic. Imagine a day when your to-do list has just 3 meaningful tasks and you finish them before lunch. In Less is More, Master Minimalist Living for Calm, Clarity, and Control, Breathwork and Simplicity Guide, we're redefining wealth not as what you accumulate, but what you appreciate. It's saying no to things, people, and habits that don't serve you. It's choosing what matters over what's marketed. Section 3. Pain Points. Why we struggle to let go. Here's the real kicker. We hold on to things for emotional reasons. What if I need it later? But it was expensive. That person might be mad if I don't go. Sound familiar? Clutter is just delayed decisions, and decision fatigue is real. Every sock you don't wear, every app you don't open, every plan you didn't want to make drains your mental battery. And when your brain's on E, self-care feels like another item on the checklist. Section 4. Simplicity through Breathwork, the Mind Declutter Tool. Let's flip the script. You want clarity? Start with your breath. Breathwork isn't some mystical ritual. It's a biological reset button. You're giving your nervous system a spa day. Here's a quick method to integrate. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 6, pause for 2. Repeat this for just 3 minutes. Watch your racing thoughts slow to a stroll. Suddenly, that drawer full of just-in-case junk feels easier to tackle. In this Breathwork and Simplicity Guide, we pair mindfulness with minimalism because peace isn't just a place, it's a practice. Section 5. Practical Steps to Embrace Minimalist Living. Step 1. Declutter 1 zone per week. Not your whole house. Start with the junk drawer. Give yourself a win. Step 2. Digitally detox your devices. Unsubscribe. Turn off non-essential notifications. Yes, even your cat filter app can go. Time blocking for clarity. Minimalism also applies to your calendar. Block time to breathe, read, or just be still. Productivity thrives on rest. Step 4. The one in, one out rule. Buy something new, let go of something old. It's like a revolving door for your sanity. Step 5. Breathe first, decide later. Feeling overwhelmed? Pause. Breathe. Don't act from stress. Act from clarity. That's simplicity mastery. Section 6. Humorous reality check. Let's be honest, you don't need a closet full of clothes you haven't worn since 2017. You don't need 12 productivity apps. You just need one that works and the discipline to use it. Minimalism isn't about being boring, it's about owning your energy. It's not for monks and yogis alone. It's for moms, students, entrepreneurs, and yes, even that friend who still collects Beanie Babies just in case they're valuable someday. Section 7. The mental wealth you gain. What happens when you embrace minimalist living? You gain clarity. You reduce anxiety. You increase joy. Your relationships become more meaningful. Your decisions become easier. Your space becomes a reflection of your values, not your insecurities. That's why Less is More, Master Minimalist Living for Calm, Clarity, and Control, Breathwork and Simplicity Guide isn't just a title, it's a life philosophy. Final thoughts. Why less wins. Life isn't about cramming in as much as possible before bedtime. It's about making space for silence, for thought, for growth. If your life feels like a never-ending to-do list, try crossing off trying to do everything. Because sometimes the most productive thing you can do is simplify. So breathe in, let go, and remember, less is more.